In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to organize. At the very top, next to the file name, look for the Move icon. It looks like a small folder. Click that. This opens the Move dialog, which is your shortcut into Google Drive without leaving the sheet. By default, you'll see that the file is saved under My Drive unless you've already placed it somewhere else. In the Move dialog, click All Locations. This expands your view so you can navigate Drive more precisely. Now, find My Drive and click the small right-facing arrow next to it to open it. This lets you browse the main area of your drive where most files and folders live. Inside this dialog, look to the bottom left for the New Folder icon. Click it to create a folder directly from here. A prompt will ask you to name the new folder. Type the folder name you want. Something clear and specific works best, like the project name or a date, so you can recognize it later. When you are satisfied, confirm to create the folder. As soon as it's created, the dialog automatically opens that new folder so you are inside it. Now, finalize the move. With the new folder open in the dialog, click Move here. Your Google Sheet is immediately moved into that folder. You'll typically see a brief confirmation, and the location shown at the top of the dialog will reflect your new folder path, which is a great way to double-check that everything went to the right place. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Move icon, make sure your window isn't too narrow. Enlarging it usually reveals the toolbar next to the file name. If you ever need to rename the folder later, you can do that from Google Drive and your file will stay inside. Also, keep in mind this process creates and uses a standard Google Drive folder, so it's available everywhere you access Drive, not just from Sheets. That's it. Thanks for watching.